Hello, it's week 8, day 2, so I'm going to help you with the big problem down on the bottom. And before we start, I want to give you some little basics on box and whisker plots. So I'm going to draw a generic box and whisker plot up here. Now, first off, when you're doing a box and whisker plot, you have to know the 5 spots. You have to know that that's the lower extreme, that's Q1, that's the median, that's Q3, and that's the upper extreme. You have to know that. Now, the second thing you have to know is that each section of a box plot is 25% of the data. So this whisker is 25%, this box is 25%, this box is 25%, and this last whisker is 25%. If you know that, you can answer most questions about box plots. So let's get started. The problem says the box and whisker plot shows how many problems were missed on a test. So math test 1, here's its box plot, and math test 2, here's its box plot. And these are the number of problems missed. So first thing says find the interquartile range of Iqr of test 1 and test 2. Now remember, interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. And when you're using a box plot, if you know this is Q1 and this is Q3, it makes it somewhat easy. So let's start below. In test 1, Q1 is right here and Q3 is right here. So it looks to me like Q3 is 17 and Q1 looks like it's about 10, and 17 minus 10 is 7. In test 2, Q1 is right here and Q3 is right here. So it looks to me like Q3 is 17 and Q1 is 7. And 17 minus 7 is 10. All right, now for the next question. It says in test 2, so we're looking at this box plot that has the 2 green marks on it. What percent of problems missed were from 7 to 17? So I'm going to find those spots on my box plot. So 7 is right here at Q1, and 17 is right here. Now, if you remember that this is 25% and this is 25%, that means together, all of those are 50%. You add those 2 sections together. Now, in the last question, it says in test 1, what percent of problems missed were from 4 to 10? So I'm going to mark my 4 and I'm going to mark my 10. Okay, so 4 looks like it's right here, and 10 looks like it's right here. Now, since that's just the whisker, remember the whisker is 25%, that means your answer should be 25%. All right, that's it for homework help today, and if you have any other questions, make sure you ask me in class. Thanks.